Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, giving LLMs up-to-date knowledge. Imagine your smartest friend, but they've only read books published up until last year. They're brilliant, know tons of facts, but ask them about something that happened yesterday, and they're stumped. That's a bit like a large language model, LLM, like ChatGPT. They're incredibly powerful, trained on a massive amount of text and code, but their knowledge is frozen in time at their last training update. As a developer, this means you can't just ask an LLM about your company's newest product features or the internal meeting notes from last week. They simply don't have that information in their memory. This limitation can make them give outdated or even made-up answers. We call those hallucinations. Here's where Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, swoops in. Think of RAG as giving our super smart, book smart friend access to Google and a library right before they answer your question. Instead of relying solely on their old memory, they can quickly look up the very latest and most relevant information. For developers, RAG is a powerful technique that allows your LLMs to access and use up-to-date external data they were never trained on, to generate more accurate, relevant, and reliable responses. It's like giving your LLM a real-time research assistant. The first part of RAG is retrieval. When a user asks a question, e.g., "What are the new features of product X?" Single quote, your RAG system doesn't immediately send it to the LLM. Instead, it first acts like a super efficient librarian. It takes your question and intelligently searches through your own collection of documents, databases, or web pages. This could be your company's product manuals, internal wikis, or recent news articles. It finds the most relevant snippets or pieces of information that directly relate to the question. From a developer's standpoint, this involves techniques like creating embeddings, numerical representations of text, for your documents and the user's query, then using a vector database to quickly find the best matches. Once the RAG system has retrieved those relevant pieces of information, our snippets, it moves to the augmented generation phase. This is where the magic happens. We take the user's original question and all the retrieved relevant snippets, and we give both of them to the large language model. The LLM now has a complete context, the user's intent plus the specific, up-to-date facts it needs. It then uses this combined context to generate a comprehensive, accurate, and truly informed answer. As a developer, you're essentially prompting the LLM with much richer information, guiding it to produce a superior output that leverages both its general intelligence and your specific data. For developers, RAG unlocks a ton of new possibilities. Up-to-date answers. Your LLM applications can now answer questions about your company's latest data, news, or even real-time events. Reduced hallucinations. By grounding the LLM's answers in real, retrievable facts, it's far less likely to make things up. Specific and customizable. You can build LLMs that are experts in your niche, using your proprietary data, without needing to retrain massive models. Cost-effective. No need for expensive, continuous retraining of the entire LLM. You just update your knowledge base. Traceability. Often, RAG systems can even show you which source documents the LLM used to create its answer, boosting trust and verifiability. Imagine the applications you can build. Customer support bots. Answering questions about your latest product features, return policies, or troubleshooting guides with precision. Internal knowledge bases. Employees can query an LLM about company policies, HR questions, or project documentation, always getting the most current information. Personalized content, generating summaries or responses based on a user's specific viewing history or preferences. Legal or medical research, helping professionals quickly sift through vast amounts of specialized documents to find relevant precedents or studies. As a developer, RAG allows you to take generic LLMs and make them highly specialized and invaluable for specific business needs. Ready to build your own RAG system? Here's a simplified developer's checklist. 1. Your data. Start with your own documents. PDFs, text files, Markdown, database records. This is your custom knowledge base. 2. Embedding model. A tool that converts your text and user queries into those numerical codes. Embeddings, for searching. 3. Vector database. Vector store. A specialized database optimized for storing and quickly searching these embeddings. 4. A large language model. LLM. The brain that will generate the final answer. E.g., OpenAI's GPT models, Google's Gemini, or open source options like Llama 2. 5. Programming skills. Primarily Python, using libraries and frameworks like LangChain or LlamaIndex, which simplify connecting all these components. The good news is that many tools are emerging to make RAG implementation increasingly accessible for developers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.